Your Mister?
I'm To. Thank you very much for your comment, Sifu. Master.
Anyway, what made you come, Mr. To?
Oh, actually, I don't want to come. My daughter make me come because she feels that my health is deteriorating, and she has seen me getting older and getting not strong. Here aching, there aching. And I'm happy that I come for this 4 days intensive Qi exercises. From very beginning, when she asked me, she tried to persuade me months ago. I told her no, I have no time and so forth. And finally she said, no, Daddy, you must go. It's definitely good for you. Actually, as you say, I'm happy I'm here. And it has done me a lot of good. Especially I have a lot of old injuries. My knee, backbone aching and so forth. After this 3.5 days now, I find that I'm much better. I will continue to exercise. I must discipline myself. Thank you.
By the way, Mr. To, that means in others, what you share with me, you were quite skeptical in the first place. Am I correct?
Oh, yes, yes. I was completely saying no to her. But after her persuading again and again, because I love her as a daughter, and she told me, she said, Daddy, it's definitely I'm doing the right thing for you. You go. So I come.
Before you come here, I'm sure you have gone to see some doctors or maybe acupuncture to help you with your pain. Is that correct?
Western doctor, yes. I have x-ray my knee, even done it in US, in UK, or even Malaysia. And they asked me to operate and fill out the cartridge, then I will be okay. But I feel that I still can walk. I don't want to do that. And now my doctor say doing this exercise can cure me. So I'm doing it, and I will continue to do it. I believe that it can be happen.
By the way, are you still skeptical now?
I should say no. I'm quite happy with it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.